I'm Yamatomo. Today, I'm gonna make the cheese toast. Alright, let's try. Alright, let's try. And, yeah. I'll use this bread, yeah. Toast. And, yeah. The cheese. Sliced cheese, yeah. Okay, and, yeah. Okay. Okay, this one. And okay. One. Okay. And can you see? Yeah. I entered yeah, this in the yeah, hot machine. And how to do? Yeah. Ah, yes, okay. And I have to wait more, yeah, maybe maybe a minute or yeah, 3 minutes, maybe, yeah. More few minutes. Okay. Hello. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, this is the thumbnail picture. Yeah. And it's this okay? Okay. Up. Okay. Success. And I'll eat this cheese toast. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I just a little hungry, yeah. Yeah. This is good, yeah. Little hungry, so, yeah. This is good for, yeah, yes. The sliced cheese is good, yeah. it is yeah, really suitable. Yeah, the square bread. Yeah. Alright. Yes. Today's video is that's all. See you.